Position the recliner frame on the floor where the recliner is to be assembled. It should be on a flat surface and within reach of 2 power outlets. When looking at the front of the chair, attach the left side panel marked with an L sticker by placing the metal fitting pieces onto the metal grooves so that the side panels slide right down, locking into place. Repeat with the R right side panel. Attach the backrest to the recliner frame by lining up the metal grooves on the backrest with the brackets on the inside of the frame. Make sure that the backrest slides completely down over the brackets. Peel up the flap on the back of the frame to access the control wires. Locate 2 white wires and connect them together. This connects the electronics of the backrest and the frame so that they work together. Locate the large black wire on the frame and attach the Recline lift remote to it to connect the recliner controls. Locate the small black wire on the base of the frame and connect the recliner transformer wire to it. Insert the recliner power cord into the port of the transformer and plug the other end into a power outlet. Move all loose cords behind the frame, then insert massage power adapter into the corresponding black wire on the back of the frame. Plug the other end into a power outlet. Connect the massage remote to the large black cable on the back of the frame. Close the flap on the back of the frame, making sure to smooth out the fabric fastener strip at the bottom. To use the massage features of the recliner, simply sit down and press the power button. The power light will illuminate, and the recliner will begin a basic massage program for 15 minutes before turning itself off. When the power is on, the chair will automatically be set to auto mode. Adjust intensity by pressing the yellow intensity button, ranging from low to high. Adjust the modes by pressing the mode button. You can also choose which zones you wish to target by pressing the corresponding zone button. Your recliner also has power recline and lift functions for those with limited mobility. Turns on whenever either the recline or lift buttons are pressed to show that the power is being supplied to that function. Press and hold this button to recline the back and raise the footrest. Release the button at any time to freeze the recliner where it is. Press and hold this button to raise the back and lower the footrest. With the recliner in an upright position, holding this button will lift the seat up and forward to help the user into a standing position. Release the button at any time to freeze where the recliner is. Now your Vive Massage Lift Chair is ready for use. Vive. Let's live better.